What's up YouTube? Another day, another video. Today we're gonna be installing some tail lights on the 350Z. I actually got these lights for a super good price. Those of you who know, these JDM tail lights retail for I think around $500, so save myself $200. Not too bad. I'm gonna move the 350Z and park it in reverse right here, and we'll get started. It's only right that I give you guys a cold start. I'm gonna give you guys one last look of the OEM tail lights on the 350Z before I swap them over to these other ones. Let's see, should be good. But yeah, I've always been a fan of these tail lights. I know other people aren't, but I just think they're gonna look so sick on a black car. Alright, let's get started. Z problems. Those of you who know. Alright. 1, 2, 3. And yeah, let's start taking it off. Got the light off, and if you guys are wondering what all these other wires are, that little box is a flashing light module that I bought off, I think it was eBay or Amazon. That's what makes my lights flicker 3 times before braking. Completely changes the whole look of the car. God damn. For now, I only put the right side on so that we could compare it to the left. Let me know what you guys think. Left or right? Alright guys, finally finished. 350Z has the lights on both sides now. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. If you like them, if you don't. I think they look sick. Give the car a kind of a new appearance. So yeah, that's basically a wrap for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.